In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a screenshot into an editable design within Figma. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or just wanting to improve your design workflow, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that allows you to work with teams or solo on various projects. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option, usually located in the upper right corner. If you already have a Figma account, proceed to log in with your credentials. This will bring you to your personal Figma dashboard where you can see your recent projects and files. Next, click on the Home button on your dashboard. This will direct you to your workspace where you can manage all of your design files and team projects. It's a great habit to make sure you're organized, as it will save you time and effort in the long run when searching for specific designs or files. After reaching the home page, you'll see an option labeled Design. Click on this to enter the design area where you'll conduct your editing and adjustments. Once you're in the design space, take a minute to familiarize yourself with your options. You'll notice a toolbar with various tools and features which we'll be using shortly. Now look for the Actions section. Click on it to open a list of plugins and additional tools Figma offers to enhance your design experience. In the search bar provided, type in Codia AI. Codia AI is an excellent tool that helps transform static images such as screenshots into dynamic and editable design components, making your design process much more efficient and precise. Once you've located Codia AI in the list of tools, go ahead and click on it to load it into your workspace. You might need a few seconds for it to initialize. Once it's ready, you'll notice a Run button appears on the interface. Click on Run to activate the plugin. This will allow you to upload your screenshot and begin converting it into a fully editable design. At this point, you can upload your screenshot directly into the Figma workspace. The plugin will begin processing your image, identifying the elements that can be transformed into editable Figma components. Be patient, as this might take a moment depending on the complexity of your screenshot. And there you have it. Your screenshot is now an editable Figma file, allowing you to adjust, change, and enhance every aspect of the design. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your design process. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to enhance your design skills. Happy designing!